So yesterday, I was working on getting the returns. Um, Basically, I wanted to go through for the first of every month in our data set. Let's get the top 1,000 stocks by average volume over the last 30 days, which should be a decent first attempt at a filter. I'm then going to try some more advanced filters. Where's the PowerPoint? So, yeah, this is what I've done. Top 1,000 volatility. Next is this volatility filter and Hurst exponent. And next is volatility filter, Hurst exponent, and Dickey Fuller. So, last night when I finished the stream, I said I don't know if this will run. And literally as soon as I finished the stream, within 10 minutes it finished. And now we have this data set. Which is giving basically all the data we want. We could drop this crap, but I'm not training on that right now. This is a pricing model. And so let's see. The first go I trained on previous return, volume, log return, 5-day log return, 20-day log return, 20-day volatility. So let's make sure those are in there, but if they are, then we should be good. So previous return, volume, log return. Oh, whoa. You don't want to train on volume. Maybe previous day's volume. Anyway, let me put a comment in the chat real quick that says to subscribe. Good morning. Thanks for watching. I work on this analysis every day. Subscribe if you'd like to follow along. Real quick, I'm updating. I have one trade I've made. The point here is not financial advice. It's to hold myself accountable, so that I don't act like an idiot with my Roth. So I've made a trade on Bitcoin. Let's see, what was Bitcoin at? 2:30 p.m. Oh, I'm on East Coast time, so 10:10. We want 9:30 a.m. What? How is that? Anyway, let's set a timer real quick. How long does the Bitcoin assessment take? Stopwatch. So, okay. Yo. Live Bitcoin price. That is not live. It's not 3 p.m. Okay. I'm just gonna pull it up on my phone really quick. Ooh, the stocks are crashing today. Except the only thing that's not negative is, what is that? AGG. Oh, my bond ETF. Schwab dividend ETF, but it looks like it's gonna go negative. So the put at market open 6:30 was 773. Open recent Bitcoin trade. Okay, so today at open it was 773. And Bitcoin value at market open, 6:30 West Coast time. King Bit. All hail King Bit. $89,012. Let's fill down. Let's actually go to the AI real quick and say I have an Excel sheet The argument against AI is that it's not going to advance past language models. And it's basically, it's not going to be like the internet. Let's see if this updates. Okay, cool. So tomorrow this should be much quicker. Now we want date, Bitcoin value. Finally, date, and put return. Okay, so every day now we could just update this. Save. Okay, now let's, did I save this? Okay, now let's get out of here. And I guess I should show real quick. What the heck? Oh, this. So this guy, did I get a $55 credit or was it? I don't think I did. I think it was 45. Bitcoin's getting crushed. Credit. Yeah, $45. So I'm minus $5 on this. Okay, so now we have, let's forget about Bitcoin for now. So we want to do this. Now that I have all data, I want to make a script like simple LGBM run.py, which trains a return model, but now I want it to perform on the whole data set. That was obtained in get data from stockfinder.py. Write me a script that does this. Ensure that everything is working properly and explain how you know. Make sure, I don't know, this shouldn't be that hard, right? Data keys are this. Yeah, they couldn't write this, that shouldn't be confusing. Make sure there is no look back bias or anything of the like. Explain how you made sure. And we need to upload simple LGBM run and also get data from StockFinder. No, we want to predict at market open, so I want to make the predictions at, but log return, yeah, it's close divided by the at market open, so log return is a reasonable target. Rewrite. And let's use the pro model. Gemini 3 Pro preview. Okay, I'm gonna go make a coffee real quick. It'd be fun to have another dog around. How I made sure this is safe. Lagged features. Oh. 5-day log return. Oh yeah, that's true. Okay. Okay, so that works pretty well. Obviously, it beats the market. Now let's make a script. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is get the top 1,000 stocks for January 1st. Why did this start at minus 0.04? Hold up. So for the AI analysis, I keep thinking about this, and if we make the assumption that the reasoning models can't scale up, if we make the assumption that it's only chat models, then the winner will be whoever throws the most compute at it. It's as simple as that. Directional accuracy is below 50%. Here's interesting. So the morning gap is the best at predicting the returns. And the previous return. So maybe I'll take log lag return out. Log return. shift this up 0.4. It's really outperforming it here. And they basically match later. Yeah. Well, if it's not getting stock splits right, then the data is useless. So let's try putting this in. And if this doesn't work, we're going to have to explore things more. But that seems like a big coincidence that's happening on the first day. um, 20.41 to $20.04 is not a stock split. Whatever's happening now, it's underperforming. Let's try training one more time. Maybe it'll get a better accuracy or at least something different. .41%. The other thing with the AI that has always made my intuition feel like it's a bubble is that when OpenAI came out with ChatGPT, they kept showing these plots where Facebook and all these different social medias, and then they showed ChatGPT has by far the most users in the first month or something like that. It's beat Facebook, Twitter, and everything, but why would you compare a chat bot to a social media? No, varying accuracy does not mean it needs to train more. In fact, training for more rounds usually increases overfitting. Suggests the model is unstable. I don't want to set a seed. So I'm stuck here. Okay. So this guy performs worse than 50%. Now, let's say I'll write a new script which combines stock finder.py and get data from stock finder.py, which adds the first criteria. The criteria for picking stocks in the universe, the rule for picking stocks in the universe should now be 1. Get top 50% of get stocks, get tickers, and top 50% of average dollar volume over previous month. 2, pick top 500 first exponents furthest from 0.5. The data, no, whatever. Oops. Stop. Do this. Now add the files. So now I'm thinking if we could find a stock that's based, or the valuation is based only on, you know, the assumption that the advanced reasoning models will work. Let's see what it says. Okay. Look at the procedure for getting the data. I want to maximize CPU usage and minimize RAM usage. Explain which your method will use in CPU versus RAM, and update the script if necessary. Get data volume plus volume first dot pi. Okay, then let's look, where's it saving the data? Okay, so now Python is using double what it was previously using. This is going pretty quick, actually. So while this runs, I could either look into the Bitcoin assumptions, or I could look into the Bitcoin assumptions, or, oh yeah, the AI bubble stuff. Oh, so we cut interest rates when the economy was already hot. We're getting there, 2020. Oops, I guess I did add those. I thought I didn't add the files. Let's see how this works. Directional accuracy is over 50% now, but this chart doesn't make any sense. Yeah. Universe average. You got killed from the beginning of 24 till the tariffs. Now, the tariffs, that makes sense, but it might be choosing stocks which are trending down. I don't know. We're going to have to look more into this, which is fine because I didn't write any code, really. Let's pull the PowerPoint back up. Make a slide for 123. Put that in there. What were the important features? Lag previous return we should take out. Previous return is the same as lag return. Okay, so that's it for now. I'm not going to add the scripts to GitHub because I made a bunch of scripts and it's going to make a big mess. So thanks for watching. Didn't make too much progress today. But going forward, I'm going to try. So we've tried two of... Oh, let's put this into that other slide. So if we run this again, what are the returns? So directional accuracy was 50.56. If we run it again, does it get better or worse? 50.30. Okay, so that's it for now. I gotta go walk my dog and go to work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you found this interesting. And tune in next time. Adios.